Today I'm going to show you how to display live stock data in Excel. So the first thing you need to know is the name of the company you're looking to display or the ticker symbol. In this case, we'll just use Google as an example. So type Google, select the cell where you've typed the name of the company, go up to the data ribbon, go to data types and select stocks. Once you do that, this little side menu is going to pop up and it'll have a little question mark next to what you've typed. Now Excel is wanting you to confirm what company you're talking about. Another name for Google is Alphabet, and they are on the NASDAQ stock exchange. You could also select the Swiss exchange, the Santiago exchange, right? But in this case, we'll just select what we're looking for, which is Google on the NASDAQ. So we'll go ahead and hit select. So now this cell is going to change a little bit, and it's going to have a picture of this little house. If you click on that, it'll give you all this live data to look through, the current price, the PE ratio, and so on. And any of this data you can also display in your Excel sheet. So for example, if I wanted to display the current price of Google, I would hover over price and just press this little sheet of paper with the plus sign. And then adjacent to that cell, it'll put the price. So we'll type current price here. Now there are two other ways that you can add live information. A second way is if you click on this, if you click on this cell that we had display the current price, you'll see that it is a formula. It'll reference the cell that we had created with a dot price. Now you can do the same thing by referencing that cell, hitting a dot, and then selecting any of these options that you'd like. We'll just select the 52-week high in this case and type 52-week high. So let's say we also want to display the 52-week low. Another way we can do that is select the cell, go up to this plus sign sheet of paper, and it will bring up all these options we can display. So in this case, we want the 52-week low, and it will be displayed like so. Now the last step you need to know is that you need to refresh this data yourself. It won't automatically update constantly for you. So in order to refresh it, all you need to do is go up to data and select refresh all. And that will refresh all of these values for you. So there you have it. That's how you can display live stock data in Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. Thank you and have a great rest of your day.